Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove an email from your Amazon account. This is particularly useful when you want to replace an outdated email address with a new one, ensuring you receive all important notifications and order updates without any hiccups. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where you can manage all your personal settings and preferences. On the account page, look for the section called Login and Security and click on it. This is where Amazon stores all the critical information related to your account access, including your email address, password, and two-step verification settings. It's essentially the control center for your account's security. Once you're in the Login and Security section, you'll see your current email address listed. Right next to it, there's an Edit button. Go ahead and click on that Edit button. This action will open up a new field where you can make changes to your email address. In the field that appears, type in the new email address you want to use instead of the old one. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this will be the primary email Amazon uses to communicate with you moving forward. After typing in the new email address, click on the Change Email Address button to proceed. Here's where things get important. Amazon will now send a verification email to the new address you just entered. This step is crucial for confirming that you actually own the new email account and have access to it. So open your email inbox for the new address and look for the verification email from Amazon. It should arrive within a few minutes. Once you've located the verification email, open it and click on the confirmation link or button inside. This confirms to Amazon that you have control over the new email address and authorizes the change. After clicking the link, you may be redirected back to Amazon's website. If there are any additional on-screen steps that appear, simply follow them as needed. These might include re-entering your password or confirming your choice one more time. Once you've completed these steps, your old email address will be removed and replaced with a new one. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Amazon account with a new email address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.